Today I am showing you a inverter, how to make inverter without any transistor, any resistor, any you have component in any device. Okay, you take one transformer, big or small. This is a small, this is also work. This is have a 3 pins. All right, this is have a 2 pins. I'm using this have a wires. You have a 3 wires transformer. This is also work. Remove this and you can use these 2 wires. Okay, and take 2 DC motor and take this battery and take lithium iron battery. You not use this 2 battery. This is very dangerous, but this is not dangerous, but I am saying you can use 1.5 volt to this is clearly work, like remote shells also 1.5 volt. Okay, I say why was you not use this battery. This is dangerous for, I am not eating or roasting. This is danger for this making. Any you touch this battery, there is positive, there is full body negative. You can fix and you pull there too. There is 2 wires connect and any happen to, I say you can use 1.5 volt battery. Okay, let's do the inverter. Take, you not use this battery, powerful battery not you can use, only lead acid battery or 1.5 volt battery you can use. Connect it, wait, connect it, and last you want this to DC motor connect. Okay, and connect this, but wait, what make this in motor? First remove the motor using screwdriver. I also remove it and do this. This is removed. There you can see there is, wait, there is, I cut 2 wires joint. There is 2. Okay, you make this, you cut these 2 wires, one connector to, you can open it. Okay, and fix like there is what okay, connect like this. Okay, connect it to another transformer wire. Okay guys, I am remove DC motor, open DC motor. There is seeing 3 terminal and there is all 3 terminal have a 2 wires joint. You remove the 2 wires in one terminal. This is work. Okay, fix like guys, I fix this and connect. Okay, take this. I'm not removing this. Okay, I am take this to connect. Wait, you not subscribe my channel, subscribe. Wait, okay, there is, okay, fix this there. You can connect only any 1.5 volt, you cannot connect this. And why was you can take safety to this is not, I cut these wires and there is shock circuit too. This is any happen dangers. Okay, connect this like and connect there any LED. I am not have any LED, so using this LED bulb means this is also working AC 220 volt. I am not have any LED, so I connect this LED. There is no positive or negative in AC current, so I connecting any wire, connect this. See this. Oh, see, this is blink. There is no catching. I am flash. I am on the torch too. There is not seeing. And take a tape any and fix there. You can fix there, but my DC motor is there broken. Oh shit, there is not fixed. Someone DC motor is not have this type. This is, you can understand. Okay, take okay, you can see. Oh, there is LED clearly glowing. See, there is shaking too. There is off one. Okay, you see brightness. Okay, I am using 220 volt yellow color bulb. Wait, I am taking. Okay, I connect that. First, you remove these two, not any shock. And don't try at home. You can try at home, but adults help. Take adults help to any shock or any happen, not happen. I'm making videos in Hindi, Kannada, English. You can see my channel on description. Okay, see it. Wait, I am not connect this. Okay, I connect it. Wow, this is clearly glowing. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.